Hi, this is Melissa and
Hi.
Thomas. We're in level 4, warm-up number 3. So we know we're at the end of warm-ups and it's about to get serious. We're gonna do a pretty simple warm-up. You might have had this in physical education class in high school, might not think too much about it. But it's a really useful movement for later when we go into STAR. And some people don't have it, so I want to make sure we have this well. Melissa is going to demonstrate a forward roll. And to do it, the first thing you want to do is you want to bring your chin to your chest. Because if you don't bring your chin down, like you could be smacking your chin on your chest and do things to your teeth. So you want to have your chin on your chest. Then you place your hands on the ground. You place your head on the ground. And you want to have a nice round back and you roll forward. Nice. And the part is also like you want to roll and you want to have your back rounded.
And your chin.
And then chin in, yeah. And then we can do the same thing in reverse. In reverse, yeah. In reverse, you want to have your hands next to your head, yeah, and roll back. And let's do it one more time on how you can help someone. Let's do a forward roll, like come into position. If I want to help a friend, I kind of have my hand at the lower back, and as she rolls, I can kind of slow her down, so that people don't like just smack their back on the other side if they don't know how to round their back. Rolling backwards, I can be under her shoulder, and I can help lift her head up. So these are things, people have different levels of coordination. Like, she doesn't need it at all, but maybe you have a friend who's like scared. And if they're scared, you kind of want to help them so they can really slowly move through it.
Yeah.